After changing your Nissan key fob battery, a reset or reprogramming might be needed, especially for models from 2005 to 2010. Newer Nissan models, post 2010, often automatically sync after a battery change. The key fob communicates via radio frequency with the vehicle's immobilizer system. If your fob isn't working after a battery change, try these steps. If issues persist, reprogramming is likely required. Modern key fobs are evolving towards app integration and rechargeable batteries. The most common reprogramming method is the ignition cycle. First, insert the key into the ignition. Then cycle the ignition from off to on 5 to 10 times within 10 seconds. Next, press and hold the lock button on the key fob for 5 seconds. Finally, repeat these steps for any additional fobs. For newer Nissan models, reprogramming may require app-based syncing through Nissan Connect. This process often involves QR code scanning to pair the key fob with your vehicle. If DIY reprogramming methods fail, visit a Nissan dealership for professional service. This typically costs between $50 and $100 and ensures proper key fob functionality. Important tips: always ensure correct battery placement during replacement. Consult your Nissan owner's manual for model-specific instructions. Newer models feature enhanced cybersecurity to protect against hacking.